Python programming language has over 60 built-in functions to help you code more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the function property. Hi, Python developers. In this video, we're diving into the property function, a built-in tool that makes managing object attributes more dynamic and Pythonic. By the end of this video, you'll know how property works, when to use it, and how it helps you write cleaner, more maintainable code. Let's get started. What is property? It's a built-in Python function that creates and manages class properties, providing a way to customize access to object attributes. Here's the syntax. The fget argument is a function to retrieve the value of the attribute. Note, as with the others, the default is none. Fset is a function to set the value of the attribute. Fdel is a function to delete the attribute. And doc is a string representing the property's docstring. The result is a property object that manages attribute access dynamically. Why use property? It's used to define methods that control access to instance attributes. Key concepts include encapsulation. You can manage internal attributes without exposing them directly. Getters and setters. Replace traditional method calls with attribute-like access. And backward compatibility. You can refactor attributes into properties without changing the interface. You'd use property when you need to add logic to getting, setting, or deleting attributes. You want to protect internal attributes from direct modification. Or you're refactoring a class to include computed values without changing its API. Let's start with a simple example where we use property to create a computed property. Note we have a class circle with a constructor method init, a getRadius getter method, a setRadius setter method, and a statement for the radius property. Here, property ties the getRadius and setRadius methods to the radius attribute, providing controlled access. You can use decorators to make the property function definitions cleaner and more Pythonic. Note we have the same class circle, but this time we use the decorators @property. Using @property decorator simplifies the syntax while achieving the same functionality. The property function can also include a deleter to handle attribute deletion. Here, the @radius deleter decorator allows custom logic when deleting the radius attribute. You can document your properties using the doc argument or the @property decorator. Here in our circle class, we use the @property decorator, and we provided the radius of the circle as the doc argument. This makes your code more readable and helps users understand what the property does. Here are some important points about property. Use it to add logic to attribute access while keeping the syntax simple. Use the @property decorator for readability and concise definitions. It's a great tool for maintaining backward compatibility when refactoring classes. And that's the property function. To recap, it's a built-in tool for controlling attribute access. Use it for encapsulation, validation, and computed properties. Decorators make it even more Pythonic and easy to use. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips. Happy coding!